I've tried this. Oh. I've tried to make this video so many times. Anyway. So I have 0 to be able to claim because reasons. Anyway, mirror time.
Orange.
What?
Orange. Do you have anything to do right now?
Not really.
Do you have anything to do right now?
I'm trying to make a video where I intentionally slow it down in CapCut so that way the viewer can watch it in 2-speed and I get more views, which also means, viewers, you get to participate in an experiment. How exciting that is! Unless that just is really cringe, which it probably is. But anyway.
If I was a YouTuber,
Watch this in 2-speed.
Be doing it for the money. I would use the money to get views. I wouldn't be really doing it for the money. I would just be doing it to make people happy.
I almost ended the video. Thank goodness it didn't end the video. Anyway, what do you want, Red? Oh, it's still on selfie.
Anyway, you wanna play minigames with me?
Maybe. But I need this video to be really short, because when I double its length, it's gonna be really long. Anyway. Anyway.
Why are you laughing into the camera, bro?
Because it being really long.
Okay.
Anyway, most of my audience should get that. I think I only have like 2 people under 18, so whatever, which is weird how most of my audience is older than me, but anyway, what code?
Wait, how old are you? Wait, are you in 6th grade or something? Are you in 6th? You in 6th grade?
The second digit is 6. Who the heck just went Wah! Also, also, since I'm home alone, I get to scream too. I feel good. This is just gonna be super weird noises.
Let me make the weirdest noise
I can
possibly make. Hold on.
I'm not even holding back right now. Which means if you're watching this at 1 speed, it's gonna sound like I'm drunk. And I did that to disguise what I said, so YouTube can't pee poop him. What?
Surrounded by idiots.
No, you're surrounded by people who love to go. Oh, I farted a little. Also,
Don't tell anyone in Monkey Blocks. I'm pretending to be you, okay? Don't tell anyone that you're gay.
no, that's homophobic.
How did you know that? How did you know that?
That's homophobic.
You're homophobic.
No, you. So, are we gonna play Blinny Blames, or are we gonna go for the infinite duration of the universe? Did you just report the entire lobby? I'm gonna report you for that. Jeebus Quist. Also, Jesus Christ.
Bro, we actually reported people.
Bro, that's reportable. Bro, that's reportable. If any of my classmates see this, they're gonna go, what? And I'm just gonna go, oh, the Daddy Chill meme. Yeah.
All my audience is gonna hear he's gonna hear us.
What the heck is that? What the skibbity wibbity? What the skibbity wigmany put your pen in your sigmund we?
I'm the real void.
You know that that meme where it's like someone goes into a treehouse, a tagger comes in, and then the person pretends to fly out the window, but then goes to the entrance and goes.
Why is it like SpongeBob?
Because bro is so. That is so hard to do. Yeah.
So was in the lobby, bro.
Yeah. Oh, and jeez, that was low pitch. Did you literally just go? Jeez, that hurts so much. Am I right or am I right? I'm gonna report you. Oh, jeez, that is so hard to do. I'm probably not gonna upload this video.